Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to profit from Instagram. Instagram has become a powerful platform for creators and businesses to showcase their products and services. And it's no wonder that many people are turning to this platform to make money. 1. Follow the right guidelines. To get started, make sure you follow the Instagram guidelines and community standards. This includes not sharing inappropriate content, maintaining a positive attitude, and respecting your audience's privacy. 2. Create engaging content. The most successful creators on Instagram are those who can produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with their audience. Focus on your niche and stay true to your brand identity. 3. Optimize your Georgie. Make sure to optimize your bio and use relevant hashtags to increase your content's visibility. You can also use Instagram Shopping, which allows you to add your products to your profile and sell them directly from the app. 4. Engage with your audience. Building a strong relationship with your audience is crucial for growing your business on Instagram. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions, and encourage your followers to engage with your content. 5. Promote on other platforms. Don't limit your promotion to Instagram alone. Share your content on other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. And consider running paid ads to reach a wider audience. 6. Collaborate with others. Partner with other influencers or businesses in your niche to cross-promote each other's content and reach new audiences. 7. Sell physical products. If you have a physical product, consider selling them through Instagram Shopify. This allows you to reach a wider audience and streamline the selling process. In conclusion, to profit from Instagram, you need to create high-quality content, adhere to the platform guidelines, and engage with your audience. By following these steps, you can build a strong presence on Instagram and maximize your profits. Good luck!